Selling anything effectively requires a combination of good communication skills, understanding your product or service, and connecting with potential customers. Here are some general steps to help you sell effectively. 1. Understand your product or service. Take the time to thoroughly understand what you are selling. Know its features, benefits, and how it can solve a customer's problem or meet their needs. This knowledge will help you effectively communicate the value of your offering. 2. Identify your target market. Determine who your ideal customers are and what they are looking for. Understand their demographics, interests, and pain points. This information will help you tailor your sales approach to effectively address their specific needs. 3. Develop a compelling value proposition. Clearly articulate the unique value your product or service offers. Highlight how it can benefit the customer and solve their problems. Focus on the value and outcomes rather than just the features. 4. Build relationships. Establish trust and rapport with your potential customers. Listen actively to their needs and concerns, and provide personalized solutions. Building strong relationships can lead to long-term customer loyalty and referrals. 5. Effective communication. Develop excellent communication skills to convey your message clearly and persuasively. Pay attention to your body language, tone of voice, and choice of words. Be confident, enthusiastic, and knowledgeable about your product or service. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Ensure that your customers have a positive experience throughout the sales process and beyond. Be responsive, attentive, and go the extra mile to exceed their expectations. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat customers and refer others. 7. Use effective marketing strategies. Utilize various marketing channels to reach your target audience. This may include social media, online advertising, content marketing, networking events, and partnerships. 8. Persistence and resilience. Sales can sometimes involve rejection and setbacks. Stay persistent, maintain a positive mindset, and learn from each experience. Embrace challenges as opportunities to improve and refine your sales techniques. Remember, selling is about building relationships, understanding customer needs, and providing value. By focusing on these aspects and continuously improving your skills, you can increase your chances of successfully selling anything.